Tally Advanced Backup. This add-on never takes rest. It will work even you have closed your Tally. Now we can see how it works. After adding TDL in Tally, you can do backup settings. In this settings screen, you can give your Tally data location path, backup location path, and time interval. In this video, I have given 1 hour, so it will take backup during every 1 hour. Normal add-ons will stop working if you have closed your Tally. This add-on will continue taking backup even you have closed your Tally. Protect your Tally data with this advanced backup add-on. To buy this add-on, WhatsApp to 90370 Get updated with new add-ons, new solutions, new technologies. For that, subscribe Get My TDL YouTube channel. Click on the bell button, select all. We will meet in the next video with another solution. Till then, bye.